Everybody, welcome back. I'm really excited about today's deep dive because we're talking all about artificial intelligence.
Yeah.
Which
It's everywhere.
it's everywhere, right? Like you literally cannot avoid AI at this point. And to be honest, like I feel like a lot of people don't even know what it is.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, just a buzzword.
And the buzzword, but like what does it really mean?
Yeah.
You know? So that's what we're doing today.
Yeah.
We got some notes here that I think are going to really help us like break it all down and make sense of it all. So
Right.
let's dive in.
Let's do it.
Okay, so first thing I'm seeing here in the notes is this idea of like weak AI and strong AI.
Okay.
What are we talking about here?
Yeah, so when we talk about weak AI, we're really talking about AI that is designed for a very specific task.
Okay.
It's also called narrow AI. And it's good at what it does, but it only does that one thing.
Right.
So think of like a spam filter, right? Keeps all the junk out of your inbox.
Yeah.
Or maybe like a chess playing computer, you know?
Yeah. Really good at that one thing, but that's it.
So like a specialist.
Exactly.
Like a master in one specific area.
Yep, and they don't really have what we would call understanding or consciousness.
Okay, so they're not thinking for themselves.
Right. It's just programmed to do that one thing really well.
Got it.
Now, strong AI, that's a whole different ballgame.
Okay.
That's also sometimes called artificial general intelligence or AGI.
Okay.
And that's where things get really interesting.
All right, so what makes it so interesting?
Well, strong AI. This is
Yeah.
like the AI that we see in movies a lot.
Oh, okay.
This is the AI that can reason and learn and solve problems like a human can.
Like a human across like all different kinds of problems.
Exactly. Across any domain,
Yeah.
any task you throw at it,
Wow.
it should be able to, in theory at least, handle it.
Okay, so weak AI, very specialized.
Yes.
Strong AI,
Like us.
like us.
Yeah, in theory.
All right, and are we there yet?
Not quite. That's still kind of a hypothetical.
So that's like the science fiction version.
For now, yeah. Okay, so then where does machine learning fit into all of this?
Yeah, so machine learning, this is actually a key part of both weak and strong AI.
Okay.
It's a type of AI where we're not actually programming the AI with like a specific set of rules.
Right.
Instead, we're giving it data and letting it learn from that data.
So it's like teaching a computer to learn like a person learns.
Yeah, like think of it this way. You know how you get better at something the more you do it?
Uh-huh.
Machine learning is kind of like that for AI.
So like practice makes perfect for a computer.
Exactly. The more data it's fed, the better it gets at whatever task we're trying to teach it.
Okay, I'm starting to get it. So then what about deep learning? That's another term that comes up a lot.
Okay, so deep learning, this is actually a subset of machine learning.
Okay.
But it takes things a step further because with deep learning, we're using these things called artificial neural networks.
Artificial neural networks?
Yeah.
What is that?
So basically, it's a way of structuring the AI to mimic the way the human brain works. It's a lot more complex than traditional machine learning, and it allows the AI to learn much more intricate patterns.
So it's like machine learning on steroids.
Exactly. And that's why we're seeing such amazing advancements in things like image recognition and natural language processing.
Like when my phone knows it's me just by looking at my face.
Yep, that's deep learning at work.
Or when I can like talk to my phone and it actually understands what I'm saying.
Right. All of that is powered by deep learning algorithms.
Oh, okay. So we've got weak AI, which is specialized strong AI, which is like the super intelligent human-like AI.
Right.
Then we've got machine learning, which is teaching AI to learn from data. And then deep learning, which is like machine learning with a super brain.
You got it.
Okay. I think I'm starting to see the whole picture now.
And the really fascinating thing is that as AI keeps advancing, the lines between these categories might start to blur.
Oh, interesting.
You know what I mean? Like, what if weak AI gets so good at its one specific task that it starts to look like it actually understands what it's doing? Or what if we get closer to actually creating a strong AI?
And then there's the ethical questions too, right? Like if AI is making decisions for us,
Exactly.
how do we make sure those decisions are fair and unbiased?
And who's responsible when an AI makes a mistake?
Right. It's a lot to think about.
It is, but it's important that we have these conversations now because AI is only going to become more integrated into our lives.
Yeah, for sure. Well, this has been a really thought-provoking deep dive.
Absolutely.
I feel like I have a much better understanding of AI now and maybe even more questions than I had before.
That's always a good thing.
It is. So thanks for joining me today.
My pleasure.
And to everyone listening out there, keep those questions coming because the world of AI is changing fast and we're all in this together.
That's right.
So until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, And we'll see you on the next deep dive.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.